Welcome. In today's digital world, making money online is no longer just an extra option. It has become a main source of income for many people. One of the newest and most effective ways to achieve this is through what's called the Nano Banana Veo3 trick mix, a method that allows you to create professional videos for clients and get paid for it. But what exactly is this trick? It's all about combining two simple yet powerful tools. The Nano Banana technique helps you create fast, lightweight, and platform-friendly content. On the other hand, VO3 gives you advanced creative features, polishing visuals, improving quality, and exporting your final work with a professional touch. When you combine the two, you have a powerful formula for producing high-quality videos in less time. Here's the best part. Businesses and individuals today are always in need of fresh content. They don't always turn to big production companies. Instead, many of them prefer freelancers or independent creators who can deliver short, impactful videos at a reasonable cost. That's where you come in. Think about small businesses, e-commerce store owners, bloggers, and even small YouTubers. All of them need ongoing video content to grow, and the demand is growing every single day. So why is this method profitable? The secret lies in accessibility. You don't need expensive cameras or a professional studio. All you need is your computer, internet connection, and a clear understanding of how to use Nano Banana and VO3. With that, you can produce a video in just a couple of hours and sell it for anywhere between $20 and $50 at the beginning. As you gain experience and improve your quality, that price can grow to $200, $300, or even $500 per video. Another key advantage is scalability. You can start small, taking one project at a time, but soon expand into creating your own online service shop or promoting yourself on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. The market for video content is massive, and it keeps growing because businesses realize that short, eye-catching videos bring more customers. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine an online store that sells natural beauty products. The owner wants a short promotional video for Instagram and Facebook. With the Nano Banana VO3 method, you could create a 30-second video that shows the product, adds text effects, music, and simple transitions. For you, this might take only 1 hour of work. But for the store owner, this video is a valuable investment that could translate directly into more sales. That's the real value you're providing. And this opportunity doesn't stop with small businesses. Over time, you can work with coaches, authors, digital marketers, or even larger companies. Everyone needs video content today. Promotional ads, explainer videos, YouTube intros, course trailers, or product demos. And once clients trust you, they'll come back for more projects. In the end, the strength of this trick lies in its simplicity and efficiency. You don't need to be a world-class director. You just need to master the tools, understand what the client wants, and deliver your work on time. With practice, you'll improve your skills, increase your rates, and build a strong online income stream. So, if you're looking for a fresh way to make money online, the Nano Banana VO3 trick is your opportunity. Learn it, apply it, and start building videos that clients will love and pay for.